presentation for that. So I'll be dictating the questions. You can take down as they come. So the question is, if 3 power x plus y, 3 power x plus y is equal to 81, and 81 to the power of x minus y is equal to 3. 3 power x plus y is 81 and 81 power x minus y is 3. Find the value of x and y. Find x and y. Find x and y. Looks difficult, but if you think properly, it's an easy question. Yeah, Ronak?
Sir, what are we doing?
We are doing some Olympiad level problems on exponents and radicals.
Okay, sir. So this is the question.
Yes. If 3 power x plus y is 81 and 81 power x minus y is 3, find x and y. Good evening. Good evening, Veda. Good to see you. Okay, from next week onwards, not next week, from whenever in all my classes from now on, I will not wait. I'll start the class. Okay, because you guys are making it a habit to come late to the class. It's a disadvantage to the people who are coming on time to the. I'll not wait for anyone. I'll start the class at 7 as it is. If you're missing, you're missing it. I know, Veda. Children, you're taking a lot of time. I mean, it's 5 minutes now for this question. No, not taken. Who wants to do it? Who wants to do it with me or learn to do it with me? Anyone? Shout. Come on, Ronak, then come online. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
बोल, ये देखे तो क्या? words.
Sir, I was saying that I will learn from you for the first question.
Okay, okay. You learned from me. Could you solve it?
No, sir.
Okay. No. Okay. Kavya, what about you? Yeah. Ronak, wait. Kavya says, can I? I would like to give her a chance. Come on, Kavya. Kavya, go ahead.
She is not connected to the audio.
Oh, she's not connected. No, she's trying.
I thought of a method to do it, but I'm not sure of my answer at all.
Okay, go ahead.
We know that 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81.
Wonderful. So what you have done is you have taken left hand side 3 power x plus y is equal to this 81. You can write it as 3 to the power of 4. Okay, good. You're going in the right direction.
Then x
Correct.
plus y is equal to 4.
Wonderful. This would imply that x plus y is equal to 4, or this is therefore x plus y is equal to 4, whatever you can say. So this is one of the equations that you will get from this particular expression. The moment I see 3 power x plus y is equal to 81, the only number that comes to my mind is 81 is 3 to the power of 4. So how does that come to your mind, sir? Very simple. 81 is 9 square is 81, and 9 can be written as 3 square whole square. Therefore, 3 square whole square is 3 to the power of 4. And even if you do 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3s are 27, 27. In any ways, the moment I see 81, the number that comes to my mind in the context of this problem is 3 to the power of 4. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 4. Wonderful. Go ahead, Kavya.
Then we know that again on that side we know that 81 is 3 to the power of 4. So we can write that as 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 6 minus y.
Wonderful. 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of x minus y. That should be equal to 3 to the power of 1. Right?
So 4x minus y is equal to 1.
Very good. 4x minus 4y, or 4
4y.
times of x minus y. 4 times of x minus y, because a power m whole power n, a power m whole power n is a power mn. Therefore, your 3 power 4 whole to the power of x minus y will be 4 into x minus y. That should be equal to 1. Why it should be equal to 1? Because the bases are same, so powers can be equated. That's what we learned. If you remember, we learned a very interesting concept. A for a power monkey is equal to a power donkey. Then your monkey will be equal to donkey in all the cases, except, can anyone remember except what? Except when a is?
Except a is 0, 1 or infinity.
Very good. A is not equal to 0, 1 or infinity. Brilliant. When students recollect the concepts well and tell me back, I love it. Wonderful, wonderful, Ronak. Go ahead. Yes, Kavya.
I did till here. After that, I was a little confused.
Sir, can I say after?
Very good, Ronak. Go ahead.
Sir, it will be 4x minus 4y is equal to 1.
Okay, this can be written as 4x minus 4y is equal to 1. Very good.
So then
Yes.
x minus y is equal to 1 upon 4.
Very good. Is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay. That's wonderful. That's it. You're done. What after that? Kya hua? Very simple. I know x plus y is 4. X minus y is 4. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. Just add them up. On the left hand side, when you add x plus y, okay, it's like this. X plus y is equal to 4. And your x minus y is equal to 1 by 4. What can you do it with that? Just add them up. On the left hand side, x plus x will be 2x. Plus y minus y will get cancelled. That should be equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. On the right hand side. What is 4 plus 1 by 4? 4 plus 1 by 4. You can simplify. Therefore, you will get 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 4 plus 1 by 17 by 4. Therefore, Your x will be equal to how much?
17 by 8.
Yes, 17 by 8. If you know x is equal to 17 by 8, you can substitute this value of x in equation 1 and get the value of y. No, Arya, this is the first problem that we are solving for the day.
Sir,
But
y
this
is 15 by 8.
क्या हुआ रे?
Sir, y is 15 by 8.
So if you substitute x is equal to 17 by 8 in this equation, in any of the equation, you can put it anywhere, whatever you feel like. Okay. So if x is 17 by 8, so I'm just substituting in equation 1, substituting in 1. Okay. 17 by 8 plus y, 17 by 8 plus y should be equal to 4. Right? Therefore, your y is equal to 4. This 17 by 8, if it goes on the right hand side, it will be minus 17 by 8. It will be minus 17 by 8. So if you simplify that, y should be equal to 8 4s are 32. 32 minus 17 will be 15. Therefore, it is 15 by 8. Did all of you understand? If yes, mention yes in the chat box quickly.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Which one?
Sir, I didn't understand from 2x is equals to 17 by 4.
1 second, 1 second, ruk. You did not understand from where?
2x is equals to 17 by 4.
Okay, so did you understand this step? X plus y is equal to 4. Are you okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay with x minus y is equal to 1 by 4? Akshat? Yes, okay. So we have just added them. X plus y plus x minus y on the left hand side. Your plus y and minus y gets cancelled. Therefore, you get 2x on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, 4 plus 1 by 4 on the right hand side. Because these are two equations which we are just adding up. 4 plus 1 by 4. If you simplify this, how do you simplify? 4 plus 1 by 4 is a simple addition. So that's what I do. 2x
4
is equal to
4.
4 plus 1 by 4 will be 4 4 is 16 plus 1, which is 17 by 4. So 2x is equal to 17 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 17 by 8. Are you okay until now?
Yes, sir.
Now, when x is equal to 17 by 8, when x is equal to 17 by 8, I'm substituting the value of 17. There is a relation between, how do I get y? We have a relation between x and y here. We also have a relation between x and y here. You can use any of the relation. You can substitute in this or you can substitute in this. So I put this value of x in this. How did I put it? So 17 by 8. X is equal to 17 by 8. And I don't know the value of y. Therefore, I'm writing y is equal to, I know x plus y is 4. Therefore, 17 by 8 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to, I am taking this 17 by 8 on the right hand side. If I take 17 by 8 on the right hand side, it will be what? 4 minus 17 by 8. Correct? So I just did the simple mathematics here. LCM, I took 8. 8 4s are 32. 32 minus 17 is 15 by 8. Is that okay, Akshar?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Good. So Arya, can you explain the problem once again? Arya, problems today. I'm sure you'll get the video of this. Just hold on, okay? I think you understood the rest of the part. The first piece is very simple. I just explained that. When we look at 3 power x plus y is equal to 81, I see 81 as 3 power 4. So I just equated this and got x plus y is equal to 4. Similarly, here 81 can be written as 3 power 4 whole to the power of x minus y. Therefore, 4 times of x minus y is equal to 1. So I just simplified that and we got the answer. Okay. I want everyone. Yeah, I think most of you have mentioned. I'm still not sure. Arjun, Ishan, Alex, no mentioning. Please mention yes or no if you have understood or not. Very important for me.
Sir.
Yes.
So why are we adding x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 1 by 4?
क्या मतलब रे?
Sir, you have written x plus y is equal to 4 and below that x minus y is equal to 1 by 4. Why are we adding that?
How did you do it then?
No, ma'am. No, sir. Means I want to ask only why are we adding them? I am not getting it.
Okay. Why are we adding? Very good question. The reason we are adding, so this is actually linear equations. So what happens is, even if you're in 8th standard, if you write an Olympiad test, they will ask you questions with simple questions on linear equations in two variables. So whenever you have linear equations in two variables to solve, always, you have to, if you have x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 4, basically you have to eliminate one of the value of x. I mean, you have to either get the problem in x or you have to create the problem in y. The problem. So here by adding this plus y and minus y, we are eliminating y. By eliminating y, we are able to get the value of x. So that is the reason we are adding them. Got it? Wonderful. Yeah, Varnika wants to say something. Yeah, Varnika. Ronak, zara wait kar. Varnika wants to say something. Varnika, we are unable to hear you. Is it that I am unable to hear, or anyone, no one is able to hear?
Sir, I'm not able to hear.
Okay. Okay, Varnika, just type.
Sir, can I ask?
Bol rahe.
Sir, we can do this only in linear equation two variables then.
No, it's not like that. Here, okay, I'll explain what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. Good question. Let me explain. So let's say, what was that step? X plus y is equal to how much?
4.
4. And x minus y, we had one equation as x plus y is equal to 4. Another equation is x minus y is equal to 1 by 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now when we solve these kind of questions, now we have two equations and two variables. We have to get the value of x as well as the value of y. So this is an equation with two variables, and there are two equations and two variables. So this is called linear equation two variables, right? Because the variables here are two. So whenever you are solving such questions, you have to eliminate one of it, because you cannot solve the problem with two variables in a single equation. So there are two ways of solving this problem. One way is what I taught you just. This problem is, you from this equation, you can say that x is equal to 4 minus y. Can I say that from this equation? Can I say that x is equal to 4 minus y? So I will take this value of x in terms of y and put it in equation 2. From, this value of x, I will put it in the second equation. So let's see what happens. This x, now I'm going to replace that x with 4 minus y. 4 minus y minus y. Now what did I do? This x I am replacing with 4 minus y. Where did this 4 minus y come from? 4 minus y came from my first equation. So value of x in terms of y. X in terms of y, I got a relation, and I'm taking that relation and putting it in the second equation. Now 4 minus y is equal to 1 by 4. So now tell me, is it easy to calculate the value of y from here? Yes, because it's now a linear equation in one variable. What you are getting linear equation in two variables to a linear equation in one variable by using one equation into the second equation. Right? Now this leads to 4 minus y minus y is minus 2y. 4 minus 2y is equal to 1 by 4. What can I do? I can take this minus 2y on the other side and this 1 by 4 on this side. So what will that be? 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to, if this minus 2y goes on the right hand side, therefore it will be 2y. 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2y. So 4 4s are 16. I'm simplifying in the left hand side. If I simplify this, 4 4s are 16 minus your 15 by 4 is equal to 2y. So from here, what will be the value of y? This 2 will come down. Therefore, your y will be nothing but 15 by 8. Now this 15 by 8, you can put it once again. Now, how will I get value of x? I know the relation between x and y. From this relation, I know that x is equal to 4 minus y. Therefore, 4 minus, what is the value of y I got? I got 15 by 8. I got 15 by 8 equal to 4 minus 15 by 8. 8 4s are 32. 32 minus 15 is equal to 17 by 8. It is another way of simplifying the same problem. Do you get it? Do you get it, Ronak?
Yes, sir, clearly.
Yeah. So what are we doing here is we are converting a linear equation in 2 variable into linear equation in 1 variable. And we are able to do that with the help of one of the equations substituting in the other. Sounds good? Everyone understand this method? Please say yes in the chat box quickly.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. So you want to solve a good one? Yeah, in a way you have already learned linear equation in 2 variables. That's a chapter in 9th standard for CBSE students. I equations in 2 variables. In which class? If I'm not wrong, even you will have it in 9th standard. 6th? No, Veda. Not possible. No, Veda. Not possible. You don't know how to solve linear equation in 1 variable. I've seen how you people solve linear equation in 1 variable. How can you say that it was in 6th? Not really.